Hello, my name is Heitor Faraya from Bacula.us, but the backup software, which is a very popular one, that have a free version and have an enterprise version, so we work with the both versions. And today I'm making this video for the March 31, which is the International World Backup Day. Backup is getting increasingly more important. Let's see some menaces that happened in the last year that affects backup directly, and it is also becoming a legal issue in some countries. For example, in Europe, they have a law about requiring backups, the GDPR, and this is getting also more common in other countries. Okay, so let's see what happened in the last 12 months. I divide myself between Brazil and USA, so I will talk about some cases that happened worldwide and that happened in Brazil also. Last year we have several cyber attacks. Okay, we have ransomware, we have the WannaCry, we have lots of data loss in Brazil because of that. People that didn't have backups and they lost their data, or they had to pay the ransom to have their data back. Okay, so this is a very serious issue. This reinforces the importance of backup. You can have antivirus, you can have IPS, IDS. These are only another level of protection, because if everything fails, you must have the backup to restore. Another important case that happened, it's a famous TV show presenter. The editor of the program deleted all the programs intentionally. Okay, this is another case of cyber attack. Okay, it was an intention action, and I was already called to restore Bacula backups from another employees that left the company and did this kind of terrorism, to delete the data intentionally. And this is why you must do backups once more. Another case that we had was a fire that happened in a data center, in a large data center in the south of Brazil. And then if they don't, I don't know if they had backup or not, but if not, they lost data from several companies. It was a hosting company, a colocation company, and this is happened. People ask me if cloud, I don't need backups for cloud because my cloud gives me 99.9% of reliability, of availability, and this is not true. Okay, because you can also have users that can delete, that can make mistakes, and data loss can also happen in the cloud. Okay, this is why you also need backup for the cloud. In fact, cloud can happen to make safer backups. There are lots of architectures. Okay, these are from scientific papers, these architectures. For example, the first one, you have a company with services in the cloud, okay, and you can make their backup on premises using backup software, using safe techniques. Okay, that way this company would not be so dependable on the cloud. It can restore data to another cloud, it can restore data on premises, and also making the operation safer. Okay, you can also have the opposite, which is the second architecture. You can have a company on premises that runs on premises, and using Bacula or another backup software, using secure techniques such as TLS, data encryption, you can store backups to the cloud. Okay, Bacula now supports most of the clouds to store backups, and the backup storage in the cloud is usually more inexpensive than having a local tape library or another kind of storage. You can also have the redundant cloud. You can have one cloud here, one production cloud, and making backups on another cloud. This is a very cool architecture indeed. And the fourth architecture is the most expensive one, because there are some organisms that defend that you have three versions of the same data. You can have two clouds, for example, with load balance, with high availability load balance, and then you have a 30 cloud only for backups. Okay, so this is another possible architecture. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. See you. If you need any help with backups, please contact me, bacula.us, and I see you later. Okay, bye bye.